Stephanie Weaver. Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad that you're here and wanted to know what's kind of going on today. So what we're going to do at this moment in this video is we are going to create a daily painting or a warm-up painting. It's kind of however you want to look at it there. So what the purpose is and kind of what you gain from doing a daily painting or warm-up is that, one, it helps you loosen up. You know, there's always that hesitation to actually sit there and put your paintbrush onto a brand new clean canvas. I get that. So we're going to do this, okay? That's the number one thing that it helps do, is it removes that anxiety of getting paint onto the canvas. The second thing that a daily painting does for you is that you can experiment, you can play. You know, there are materials that I'm going to show you that you can use, and if you don't like it, throw it away. It's not going to, you know, break the bank, so to speak, on if you screw up. So that way you can actually experiment and play with your paints.